Hello, my name is Ben Moisan and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian chili con carne. So to begin with, we're going to get a large metal saucepan and we're going to put it on a medium heat. Now to the saucepan we're going to add a splash of oil. You can use whatever oil you want. I'm using olive oil. A nice generous glug. And we're just going to spread that oil around the pan. Like so. And we're just going to let that heat up a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go in with a diced onion. And you're looking for that nice hissing sound. That's how you know your oil is ready. Now I'm going to take a wooden spatula and I'm just going to stir the onion around so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And we're just going to cook the onions now until they turn a nice golden brown caramelly colour. Remember to keep stirring the onions so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so this is the sort of colour that we're looking for. When your onions look like this means you can move on to the next step. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a pepper that has been finely diced, and we're going to add 125 grams of sliced mushrooms. And we're going to stir these until they soften slightly. If it looks like your vegetables are drying up a little bit, it's okay to add another glug of oil, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so this looks good to me, so now it's time to add a few more ingredients. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go in with a can of chopped tomatoes. And I'm also going to go in with a can of baked beans. This is going to be our protein source for the meal. I'm also going to go in with a couple of teaspoons of chili powder. I'm seasoning this chili to my taste, so of course if you like your chili a bit more spicy, you can add more chili powder. And if you like other spices in your chili, you can also add those too, like you could add cumin, oregano, garlic, whatever you like. I'm also going to season this chili with a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm just going to stir my chili until all the ingredients have combined well together. I'm now going to cover my chili with a lid. And I'm going to turn the heat up so I can bring my chili to the boil. And once it's at the boil, I'm going to turn the heat down to let it simmer for around 20 minutes. The longer you leave your chili to cook, the more intense the flavour will become and the more delicious, in my opinion, it will become. But the minimum amount of time that you've got to leave it for is probably about 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
When the chili is finished cooking, don't forget to taste it for seasoning. I think my chili could do with a little bit more salt. Okay, so now I'm going to add a can of kidney beans, and I've just drained off the water from the can because we don't want to add this to our chili. Otherwise it'll make our chili too liquid. I'm just going to simmer this for another 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir the chili occasionally, otherwise it will stick to the bottom.
A few moments later.
Once the chili is finished cooking, it's ready to serve. So grab a plate, add some rice that I've cooked already. Just going to pat it down a little bit to make like a little plate for my chili. And now I'm going to add our chili sauce, the main event. And now to finish it off, I'm going to layer on top a few handfuls of grated cheddar cheese. This will make the meal vegetarian, but of course if you're vegan you can swap out the cheddar cheese for vegan cheese. And that is the finished product.